Hi, I'm Brian Spence.
And I'm Slava Markev.
And this is our Battleship game we created using 2 Nexys boards. To play the game, you just start placing your ships. You can rotate them. You have 5 ships, just like normal Battleship. You use the keyboard for all the controls. Then after you place your ships, it starts like normal Battleship game where he moves the cursor. So this would be his board over here. If I fire on this square, I hit his ship. And then if you miss, it'll turn blue to indicate that you missed. So the interfaces for the game is we obviously have 2 Nexys boards, so that way we can have 2 different keyboards for the control. And the Nexys boards communicate with each other through these PMODs, so they communicate in parallel to make it similar. So each Nexys board can send 12 bits to the other board and receive 12 bits. All right.
This was simpler than using the serial cable for obvious reasons.
So 8 bits are the fire location on the 10 by 10 square. They send each time you shoot. It'll send over the fire location. That board checks whether or not that's a hit based on where its ships are. Sends it back through one of these 4 cables. And it just goes back and forth. Simple, different states.
Right, and both boards keep track of the win condition, which is 17 squares hit, and they display the appropriate message if you win or lose.
So it uses VHDL and Picoblaze. The VHDL, we had to do some modifications to the Nexys wrapper to integrate the PMODs. So there was just like some, had to add some registers to buffer it and create the interface with the Picoblaze. The Picoblaze.
And I was going to say, we also added more RAM so we can store the locations for the hits and misses.
Was that RAM you added to Picoblaze, or?
Yes.
RAM that we added in the VHDL wrapper, which did interface with Picoblaze.
Great. All right. Thanks, everyone.